We're back here in the Solidworks Live studio, just across the way from where Mark was shooting that, and we're joined by Lynn Allen, Global Technology Evangelist for the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Lynn, thanks so much for joining us here today.
My pleasure.
So, Lynn, you have 25 years of industry experience working with communities and customers. Tell us a little bit about, what you're excited about here at 3DEXPERIENCE World. So this is your first 3DEXPERIENCE World.
Yes, well, I believe technically it's everybody's first 3DEXPERIENCE World.
That's right. You've actually come to a couple SolidWorks Worlds prior to this.
I have. So I had been to 3 SolidWorks Worlds before, but as an attendee. So this is my first time as an actual employee. So it's definitely different, looking at it through the eyes as an attendee versus as an employee. But a great event, no matter which side of the coin you're looking at it through. So as an evangelist for all these great products, tell us a little bit about what it means to you to come to an event like this and be fully engrossed with all these customers and creators and partners here at an event like this. Oh, I love it. So I love spending the time with the ever enthusiastic and loyal customers. I love talking to the vendors. The energy is amazing at this particular event. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than this. And I just think it's fantastic. I think the classes are great, having the opportunity to learn more about their products, whatever their products are. And just, the networking is also unbelievable. It's
Very
just
cool.
Such a great event.
So, tell us a little bit about, as a technology evangelist, some of the things that you're looking at maybe doing.
What is a technology evangelist? What the heck is a technology evangelist?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So basically, a technology evangelist helps people embrace change and to adopt a new technology, essentially. And so my role at Dassault System is basically, currently, it's around the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. So my goal is to help customers embrace and adopt and love and be happy with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. So I've been focusing on that. I haven't been with the company very long. I've only been there for,
3 months?
Just for a few months. But I was so excited about the opportunity that the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is going to bring to the customers. I saw it as a very positive, disruptive technology, and I know it's going to make a huge difference to all of your customers. I know that they can't all see it right now, but they will see it, and they're going to absolutely love it.
Yeah, we had a lot of great opportunities this morning and yesterday morning's general sessions to see some of the things we're doing on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, whether it's the whole 3DEXPERIENCE Works program where we're going to be able to open up new possibilities with different tools for our customers, or it's just completely new ways of thinking about designs with some of the design tools that they're going to have, if it's with the X apps or whatever it may be at that point.
Right.
So this is a great platform for our audience to get really excited about this. So it's a great platform for you to get really excited about this with them.
And I am.
Yes.
I absolutely am.
So some of the other things, I know you're not a stranger to some of the other things that happen within kind of the SolidWorks family. You were telling me just before we went on air, you're really interested in the SolidWorks user group community and a lot of stuff that happens there. Have you had the opportunity to attend any user group meetings recently?
I do join them. They have online, the leaders. I've been joining the leaders online.
Okay.
They meet, I think, every Friday or so. I haven't gone to any of the local user groups. But I will. I am going to start attending them. I just haven't had an opportunity since I joined, but you're right. That's actually was my first foray into the world of SolidWorks was through their user groups, actually. I attended a couple of user group meetings. I was like, boy, they're really into that software.
Very cool.
I need to know more.
So you've been here a few days. Tell us, what are some of the things that have really popped out to you and caught your eye? We've had a lot of opportunity to see what's going on in general session. Have you gotten the opportunity to peek into maybe a breakout session, see a really interesting partner out here, maybe something like 3DEXPERIENCE for Good or the shop floor? Anything that really jumped out at you?
Been in rehearsals for like 4 days. You probably shouldn't ask me that question.
Fair enough.
They don't let me out of the dark rooms where the rehearsals were going on.
Well, how about this? How about when you get done here, I got some really great things for you to go check out. 3DEXPERIENCE for Good over here. Mark Peterson was just there. They're actually assembling the prosthetic hand over there. That's a really cool experience.
All right, that sounds fantastic.
And the shop floor over on the other side of the playground.
He's going to tell me what I need to go see.
Yeah.
This is great. get my own personal tour.
Absolutely. Shop floor on the other side of the room here is a great place where you can see the biodat that we had on stage yesterday morning being designed and brought all the way through manufacturing to final production. All done right here.
All right, that
in the
sounds great
playground.
too.
And then I've been encouraging people to go check out Magic Wheelchair.
Oh,
Saw those?
Oh, yes.
Sure.
I did see that on the main stage. I did see.
Oh, it's incredible.
Made me cry.
Yeah, it's we're on camera. My eyes got a little red.
Very affecting. I think that's another thing that all of the SolidWorks worlds and the 3DEXPERIENCE world is if you can get away without something making you cry, that's amazing, right? There's a lot of things that are very affecting in your heart that you get to see throughout the conference. I mean, I know I've cried every single day that I've been here from something that's affected me in a good way, not in a sad
Absolutely.
way, but just how the company and the people that use our products is really changing the world, actually physically changing the world and making it a better place. And that was really one of the things that made me want to come work for the company, because those are things that I love. I can't help it, and makes you feel really good inside. And I love seeing that. And there's a lot of that around. I have seen some of that around, so.
Well, Lynn, I want to thank you so much for coming over here and letting us know a little bit about what you're going to be doing. As the global technology evangelist for the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, it's really exciting to see how you're going to be working with our customers in the future. And I'm sure folks at home are going to be following you and paying attention to everything that you're doing. So
absolutely. I look forward to working with them.
Yeah, this has been super fun. We don't have as cool a swag as all the other people do out there, but I'd like to give you some SolidWorks socks. We've been handing these. Yeah, we've been handing these out at the booth
I heard
here.
These were hot commodities.
Yeah, here, and I'll give you a pair to give to somebody else.
Shut up. Oh, now I'm really going to be popular.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
Lynn, thanks so much for joining us here today. And we have a lot of other great content kind of coming up throughout the day. I think we have a sponsor interview coming up here. And a little bit later, we're going to have a breakout session called I Didn't Know We Could Do That. So stay tuned. I think we're going to go to a break here really quick, and we'll be back shortly.